everyone, my name is Nehal Ismail. I am from 3D. I made a model of an aeroplane. I made the aeroplane with the bottle and with the cardboard. Also, I sprayed here white and blue also in the wings, and here the windshield I made with the paper, also the model. The engine I made bottle caps, and the windshield I made with paper, also the model of the glass I made with paper, also here the window, the door also with paper. Okay, let us go to aeroplane facts. Why are planes white? Because they can reflect on the sunlight, or also they can see any scratch from the plane. Thank you. Bye.